Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a very high quality company which Saurabh Mukherjea has admitted to buying in most of his client portfolios. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. You can also choose to join us on our free Telegram groups, which serves as a forum for asking questions, sharing ideas, and also transferring knowledge. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is Divi's Laboratories Limited, which is available at Rs 2085.95 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is DIVISLAB. Now Divi's Laboratories Limited is a holding company which engages in the manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates and nutraceutical ingredients. Its product portfolio comprises of generic active pharmaceutical ingredients and custom system of active pharmaceutical ingredients. The company was founded on October 12, 1990 and is headquartered in Hyderabad, India. Now speaking on a recent television interview, Saurabh Mukherjea mentioned that in his company's newsletter, they have mentioned that they have bought Divi's Labs in most of their client portfolios. Drawing a parallel with other cash-rich companies, Saurabh Mukherjea mentioned that this company enjoys 37 to 38% return on capital and is the world's largest makers of something like 70% of the world's painkillers. APIs for 70% of the world's painkillers are made by Divi's. It has complete lock on 4 of the largest APIs in the world and is an immensely powerful reputation with big Western pharma which relies on Divi's to make several critical medicines. Whether it is GSK, Mylan, the world's largest drug makers rely on Divi. As a result, Divi has higher return on capital, higher operating margins among Indian companies. This is largely based on selling their own medicines in the Western world. He mentioned that this is a company with a strong moat and a strong compounding engine, and he believes that this company will stand the test of time. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been on a beautiful uptrend and a lot of wealth has been created here. The company is a large cap with a market capitalization of 55,375.42 crores. The EPS of 48.23 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 43.25, which is much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 30.95. The price to book ratio of 7.96 is also slightly high. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0019, whereas the dividend yield stands at 0.77%. The promoter's holding is above average at 52.01%, out of which nothing is blessed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.